Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the concatenate function in Excel. So you might have heard about joining two different strings or joining two different cells and getting the output into a single cell. And in order to do that, you have to use this concatenate function. This concatenate function in Excel is a text function that is used to combine text from different cells and get the output into a single cell. So this function combines the string as we instruct it to do. So for example, if you want to combine all of these strings, these 7 strings, and get the output in a single cell, you can do that using this concatenate function. And this concatenate function is so much powerful that this can be used to create a primary key for a table by joining or by combining two or more than two different columns. And this concatenate function is widely used during your data analytics project as well as business analytics project. Any kind of project that you are working, you have to know this concatenate function, because more often you will get multiple cells or multiple columns where your data will be distributed, and you have to get all of those columns combined into a single column of a cell. So for example, we have one example here for concatenate function, and that is that you have to get the full name and address of the customer in the result table. Now we have two tables here. The first table has last name, first name, street, locality, district, state, and country, while in the second table, which is our desired table, you have to get the output. Now what you need to do is that you need to get full name in a single column and the full address in another column. So right now you can see that the address is distributed in 5 different columns here, from C till G, while the full name is in column B and A. So the convention is that the last name is in the first column and first name is the second column. So you have to get the full name by joining column B and column A. So let's start using this concatenate function so that you can see how we can combine two or more than two columns and get the output in a single column. So we'll use equal to, and then we'll put concatenate. After this concatenate, it will ask for a bunch of or a number of arguments. It can go from text argument 1 till argument n. So the first argument for full name would be the first name, and the first name is in cell B6. After B6 we'll put comma, and then we'll put the second argument, which is in cell A6. So I'll put A6 and then I'll close the bracket. Now you have seen that the concatenate basically joins two different strings into a single string, but as we have seen here, there is no space, right? Within the first name and last name there should be a space. So in order to add a space, we can simply put double quote, a simple blank space within double quote in this concatenate function, and there you go, you have your first name, a space, and then the last name. Now for the full address, you have to join 5 different columns, right? And in order to do that, what you have to do, simply you have to use concatenate function, and the first argument will be street, right? Then you will put a blank space, then again you have to use the locality, again you will put a blank space, then you will put district, a blank space, state, then again a blank space, and country. After that you can either put a full stop or you can leave it as it is, but for me I'll put a full stop, and in order to do that I have to put double quote, and under that double quote I'll put a full stop, and then I'll close this bracket. Now you have full name here and full address here. If I increase the size of this column, you will be able to see that all of these 5 columns data has been combined into a single column, right? And if I want to drag this formula, you can simply select this range and drag this formula down to get your output. So this is how basically you use concatenate function in Excel. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.